your crew. This is a big thank you, respect video to say big up and thank you to everybody for turning up. Saturday gone for the live stream, the dubplate wars competition where everybody voted on their favourite dubplates and favourite artists to win. It was absolutely wicked, man. DJ Doms literally just stole the night away with his evil Decepticon tune. It was wicked, man. And also big up to the Screw in second place and Johnny Too Bad in third place and all the other dubplate wars contestants. It was absolutely firing, guys. DJ Doms, mate, this one goes out to you, mate. Congratulations, man. Big up. And also there's medals for the runners up for the second and third prize. I just want to say once again thank you for everybody for taking part, man. We're just gonna keep this going forward. If you want to see it going forward, if you want to see more competitions and dubplate wars to carry on, guys, smash that like button, guys, and give me a yo down in the comments, man. Shout out to all the active mods for moderating the chat box. Man like LJ, Captain Choppage, big up the Waxon, big up the Winston Breaks, shout to the Benji, all the crew and Amen Therapy, massive family inside, showing up, supporting and holding it down all the way through the show. There was a bit of soap and drama on the night, but hey, no hard feelings. We're gonna move forward, get everything going. Everyone's back to normal now. Looking forward to moving on to the next event, which I believe should be a remix competition to give guys a chance to get back into their production for a while, because I know people have just been submitting tunes non-stop for the dubplate wars competition. So maybe now we're going to do a little remix competition and lead up to that and give everyone a little cool off period. In the meanwhile, I'm going to be uploading some Akai tutorials and some cool music production tutorials. There's a Cubase course for all the members of the channel. Just press the join button and there you go. Also membership perks as usual. But guys, yes, I just want to say thank you. We've hit 9k, on our way to 10k subscribers now. Amen Therapy, Amen family, big up people, enough respect out there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and peace out. Just want to say thank you real quick. Big up.